Abusha said I can no. Yasama machibium kawadju jumedi because Springboard College at Daroma. And Wama Mukwa near the kawadju jumedi de Brewo Springboard College in Kuala Lumpur School. Reese Junction, Medina. And Obeho Springboard College now to me the Kodenya and Papa Dache. One bet me a university near Jamuswabe in the Papa Pebiti na Abuama Ghana. Akwan anymore. Sada. And a Newman College of Nursing at Daroma, ye de kawa drinju me de brew makachos a nurse de so de akola no nursing school papa we obenya dwumayo and also obenya exchange program Australia US Canada when nyina no akwanya bi ebetime bie e de ama obey entifa ne ko Newman College atwumata chiman na nkwada nkosua nurse ebio doctor for hada po teacher for ho bom modern bus campus bibia de na kwem se de aka no ene ni e kiro se de Ghana Post for GPS ebetime aye adwuma ye illustration kaka by your inside inti and to be a papa ya shall boss a basic monte so said ya may register Ghana Post GPS no ya chroda oko Play Store the here sell obe Ghana Post GPS a baby ama no download wabo address no telephone number when you go so I bebre code on the telephone number with the code no go so na to say oh no register we register but what address baby a ujina e the amount please save that address e be a wadwuma man afia we say your save address. We save via location at the atoll. Bet me send this our location no at the mobi. Say be up a send pan ebawa. Ebi a near Tonyama internet sway. We nya send this our location money pan on so or Ghana Post GPS nibi. Now I register or boguswa ne kwanimti. Me producer wakako PM a ring road overhead ne so and they what the address na send me. So I'm just going to log in the address. Me log in address now. Then we take you over to wherever he is. Since you me producer waira. Me my registered and I'm now logging in the address or they are sending me through WhatsApp. So Ghana Post GPS and now every place in Ghana now has a digital address into the address or their mommy. Now what I do after putting in the address, I catch them say, well, Ring Road Central Accra, Ghana, Greater Accra. What postal code no GA072 what their mommy and on TCC I may babe route you know, but why I can be from your true route, my route may call yet no. I have not yet arrived because I'm going to Ring Road. Yeah, I'm going back and I'll then log in the address. Okay, let's see where he is. Let's see the first one he gave Newton. Okay. Okay, until now I know I load it onto my Ghana Post GPS. 4 minutes into 1.2 kg. Fanofa Road, Newtown. Within 4 minutes. Let's get there. Until me call reverse from where yeah me wo Fanofa. Oh, what is this? Nobody should call me inside. Okay, let's go. Okay, so you call Newtown. So that means I can you offer no far. Me don't call turn left onto Kotoko Avenue. It is just as simple as possible. As simple as possible. It's showing me the direction. I'm me far left. I'm taking left. I'm taking left Kotoko Avenue. And see, I'm who say me drew Kokomlemle Okojo FM as our traffic lights no. Yeah, it me do Oko Newtown now. Sa road no and was say me fa eho. Until now, traffic lights now so intimate. I'm going to take that route. Under a normal circumstance, in Kenya, I probably would go straight and then we'll just cross the road, go straight, and then just to the overhead. But now it's giving me a different route to use, so I'm using that route. So we are using GPS, Ghana Post address for system. No, now the Aqua share may producer, and we are using the Kotoko Road now. Also turn left, so I've turned on that route. Okay, now it's telling me to turn right into me far so as the direction is giving me a day mamino direction now or day mamino, and you can see say a route net any. This is the arrow. A day may call baby hour. Enti, yeah, call baby. There's another road called Hospital Road. Very funny. You know, it's as if Ghana post for addressing the whole, most of the areas in Ghana differently. There are some street names, but that's not what the Ghana post mommy as in street names. No, I it differently. And as you see the blue arrow, no. That is what is they may call baby. I'm a producer. Was this here, and he's told me say in 4 minutes I'll be there. Until let's see how it goes. Traffic lights in I think a delay, but no problem. You're still going to where my producer is.
Take the second right onto Hospital Road.
Okay, so he says I should take the second right. This is the first right. I hope I'm on. No, I can't take this route. Second right. So I'm going to take the second right. As simple as that. So simple. Say, oh, you'll be fair. Now you must get it right. Say, oh, you'll be fair. The person has to give you the address. Nipa no nebe Ghana Post for GPS no.
Turn left onto Kotoko Avenue.
Yeah. And Ghana Post for GPS no nebe bo nipa na address no amount no ankasa. Na nipa na forward the amount. So when you go to Ghana Post GPS now all the address shimwa. And I say obo mo code nom de ma obo tomorrow e the address be ma now I send the nipa no. Now if you want somebody else's address and I say person who address of where you would find yourself wherever you are, just go back to the Ghana Post platform so udruwa you would see obo icon be was show you try get address umia so it will tell you where you are standing. Then say apart from fie and answer office there na we saving no wherever you go to say bia o kwa papa ye and answer wakopie mo e bia or say I should take. Okay, so I hope I'm taking the right route. Okay, I think I didn't take the right turn. Okay. okay, let's see how it goes.
In 200 meters, turn right onto Mensasaba Road.
Okay, I think I've used another route, so it's taking me to another route, through another route to the place. So let's go. And as I said, no, baby, I want no.
Take the next right onto Mensasaba Road, then turn right onto Ring Road Central.
Okay, so I'm taking right, and then I'll take right again. Okay, and as we're going, them said no, mommy cycle one route be, but I turned onto another route. And if I say my right, but he has given me another direction which I met me. You see, and they are called the same place. Until now, I'm hitting the Ring Road, and then we'll go back to where my producer is.
Right onto Ring Road Central. Then slight right to stay on Ring Road Central.
Okay, so we're going to where he is, hoping say we'll find him. I was showing you something. Say be a do baby. Now you probably want to go back to the place at another time, but maybe you'll be in the taxi, Uber, and not be but you would want to find a place on your own with your own car. And I say with another taxi, going there another time. All you need to do is when you get to the place, maybe a Flagstaff house now, and papa, and our PA cantonment, baby, and our PA regiment or wherever. Uduwa on the platform, no Ghana Post platform now, we be that na save address now, what they now who code now. The save no. All you need to do is there's a icons me no be was save location, and then the other one is get address. Umia get address now. You tell you presently where you are no address so that you can save it on your own. The next time you want to go back to that place, all you need to do is to put in that address, and it will send you straight back to where you were. So yeah, call where my producer is. Ujina overhead na pump him. Okay, it says I should take the next right. So I'm taking right.
In 400 meters, you will arrive at your destination.
Okay, so my producer Edna overhead na pampem, but it's taking me to circle the same overhead, but or na pampem. But wherever he is, no, you know what I mean? And it's taking me to where my producer is. I could see my producer on top of the overhead, but it's brought me directly down where my producer is. So I'm directly down where my producer is currently. And it's telling me Semedu. It is telling me Semedu. Indeed, I've arrived, but my producer is on top of the overhead. And now where I'm going to know, Medu. But Nipara Merisha no overhead na pampem. But it's the same address that Ujina Hua na Miss Midjay, ya, the Mababidui. And that's about it. Me sure how the address system no juma. We just came to address system my producer the mame as in the way he found himself no or the my ya baba hwehwe no nti see route me awie e de ma ba bedu baby a wo nti that's about how it works. This is Ghana Post or more portal and I say or more system or more diaba me no ka say circle na me way circle Dubai na pampem and I'm a producer no and the address mommy. So I've gotten to where he sent me the address. Although he didn't send me to the overhead, it sent me straight to where he is. And I me home baby as simple as that. Just go to Play Store. Or do Play Store download Ghana Post GPS. Or download the Ghana Post GPS. Now the number Edia Sheho. Or do din and no number. It will send you a code. And the code Nimawa. Just log in the code. That's all. Now say you are registered. Once you are registered, wherever you did it, no, it would give you that address of wherever you did it. But Kai said, them. You only have to come out of the office or come out of your house. Now, why you are bunting into you are bunting. That's about it. If you want to find somebody else, you cannot just kanishi edoko kanishi debi. Nipa na okwa hwe no ono so be the same thing e wo baby owo no. Then the person will send you the address. Baby onu adru no address. Baby nipa na adru no address. The person will send it to you. Into what send it. All you need to do is to just hit on the address, no the amount. It will send you straight back to Ghana Post for portal. No then ubemia route. Umia route to pay. It would send you back to where the person is now or the amount. So now I'm trying to go back to multimedia. I have saved my address as office, and now I'll look for my location where mediano. I'm going to look for it, and then we'll go back to the office. I'll look for it. We'll go back to Fanofa Street. So the most important is to be anywhere a block, yeah. Because if something blocks you, it will not open. Don't do it in the house. So I'm going to look for my address in my address book. This is what I did in the morning as my office address. And I'm saving into my address book. Now, so I'm routing back to the office.
Head west on Ring Road Central.
Okay, so
in 200 meters,
okay.
the roundabout, take the first
And now the arrow na show.
3 a.m. road.
I just took off now. I'm my arrow no. And that is my arrow. So should be a blue no one from the arrow now. So we are going back to the office into our circle. Yeah, call back to Coco Milemle from my phone. And now it's telling me sending far right on the Insawam Road. That Insawam Road takes you to Kumasi. So I'm going to take right as the GPS is showing me back to the office. No, as simple as that. So simple and yet difficult. Anybody at all, bit me obibia bit me and while say menyakadada. Just go to Play Store. Hold your phone. Only maybe a Play Store. Wafamobi. Nakajes won't Play Store. Kwa. Omie Ghana Post GPS. Efama. Obie Ghana Post GPS. Obie mawa. Then Ubo D and your telephone number. Ubo D and then your telephone number. It will send you a code. Who the code niguma? I register. enya register adwuma no awie wahu baby a wo gina with your address wo to me de send you obi so obi a ono so abie a Play Store Ghana Post GPS no ono so bia now the address man wherever you are no obetimi ahwehwe as simple as that nyafe na abetren so wo de oduru circle ko wanim a wo ko wanim ten a obewo se ma me bi ton bofro to ho bisa ba me ran se wo ko multimedia obekere ho and I say said I'm can circle high is very very bad trot for no eje ha boso now they blocked my route. I'm trying to navigate my way around so that I bet me I come back to the office. Trot for no at the 3 lane no at the aboso until we are going back to the office with GPS address system now is routing me back to my office. I tried Fanofa Road at the end of my GPS so Ghana Post GPS so I shouldn't be a Fanofa and as I said the arrow is taking me straight back to my office into blue way now. That is what is leading me. That is my route, not the light blue, the deep blue. That is my route. Until now, I'm going back to the office from circle back to the office. Yeah. So it's true, it's real, it's working. Yeah, Juma and we are using it as an example for you. So the baby will be a brahabo meal. Kumasi brahabo meal. Bronga Hafu, or Tamale, or Upper West, Upper East, Central Region, wherever you find yourself, no. Obey me, yes, I deal with your good phone. So the most important necessary phone should be a smartphone, and that's it. Because then your internet works, everything works. It's so simple. And then the woman also say, buy a brothel until you want a brothel, no problem. Whoever talks would show you what to do. Even if you want to me who arrow no a year and then how it will take you back to your destination, how it will take you to your destination where you are going now. But for now, you just use the arrow. Arrow now will add the so who follow the arrow now. Oh, your taxi driver. Oh yeah, then you. It's so simple because taxi driver be or never be anonymous. All you need to do is to put the address in your phone, and then wherever the person is going, obey me the nako. Simple. Here so baby so see me see your bentle. May show some area ha na onim show area ha na onim ho. Obi o kra na o ka chen so area ha. O to me do eto twene kra so dey bia baby ha ko na ben ho. This time you won't do it that way. And once I will go phone so that's it. Now wakwa do so. Me kwakwa here me producer. Yehuno. Until you go back to the office and I'm almost in the office. You see where the arrow is. And then this red way is telling me that this is where my destination is. Minyadu ya Ronina or Kasan Mekachem say you have arrived. Next me do baby America. I do. No. We are done. Just as simple as that. I just showed you how to use a Ghana Post GPS address system. Destination in Yadu ye so I not address number me back. Telling me, say, I've arrived. And now I've brought you back safely to the office. Yeah. And today, no. Yeah, and I'm the Kama Dream Media NBC. And the Kama Dream Media, Ghana Post address system. And the bread woman. Did you say, what's your baby? A free move, and it will be as easy as possible. Say, open say one kasa, utumie on your own, and then open say the baby abekobi. Auntie, my main crowd, mene kwakwa. What is saying? And James, and Juma, and no pay. Me miss I just learned this one right now. Most of the time, you took this is so simple. Then that's what they do. Baby, I would just bogo phone, so I will take you straight to the person's house in front. You know what I could do because the address system works so simple, and that is why I try to introduce Ghana, and I've just done this right now. Hasi and pay said the deputy minister better and they are practical. The amount I'm sure say ubetimi just get back to us. You better said yeah, Macau.